Hi, my name is Mayra Alejandra Romero, English B2, Unity Paths Events. Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. I think that the improvement and living conditions caused by technological development increase the world pollution, energy expenditure, food production and consumer foods, and third, environment pollution, deforestation, the emergence of large cities, and other phenomena that have become a problem for humanity. Accelerated pollution attacks human health, touch, water, or air. How do you see the future of our planet? I see a future full on natural disasters. Although technology has its positive side and creates great developments for humanity, I think that it should promote more with the care of the environment. Strategies to mitigate environment damage. We must be aware and start from home with recycling. Learn to reuse the things we can't. Save is very important, and I believe that social networks are a means of communication where we can encourage people to help the planet. In our hands is a positive chance for our planet. It needs use and we must take care of it. Thank you.